Have you ever had trouble understanding product details when you go to a grocery store? It's because you can't read Thai, right? This time, we're going to solve that problem for you. It's going to be super helpful.
Is this coffee bitter or sweet? Which one could it be? I can't read Thai. What a problem. What a problem. ChatGPT, help me. ChatGPT can read Thai. Let's see. Roasted coffee powder.
From now on, I'll teach you how to take photos using ChatGPT. First, tap on the ChatGPT app. Tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. You will see three options: attach a photo, take a photo, attach a file. This time, tap on Take a Photo. The camera will now be ready for you to take a photo. Press the shutter button to take a photo. Tap Next at the top of the screen. The photo you took will appear in the bottom left corner of the screen. Enter a question in the message box below. For example, what does it say? Once you've typed it, tap the upward arrow. ChatGPT will provide an answer to your question. Next, I'll show you a practical example of using ChatGPT. This is a coffee bean label. It's written in Thai. There's a circle mark, but I don't understand its meaning.
What's inside this bag?
The contents of this bag are roasted coffee grounds. It is a product from the Bongkafe brand, labeled as all-day coffee ground. The weight is 250 grams, and it features a mild aroma and flavor, designed to be enjoyed as a French-style blend.
There are 5 circles on the bag, and 2 of them are filled in white. What does this mean?
The circles on the bag represent an indicator of the coffee's strength or characteristics. In this case, with 2 out of 5 circles filled in white, it suggests that this coffee is of medium strength, leaning toward light to medium. Specifically, it typically indicates the level of roast, flavor, or coffee intensity. This kind of labeling helps buyers choose coffee that matches their preferences.
Got it. I'll buy this coffee.
Next is the internet bill. I can't understand the amount due or the payment date.
Please tell me the amount on the bill.
The bill amount is 321 baht. This amount is listed as the total outstanding balance.
Could you tell me the due date of the bill?
The due date of the bill is February 1st, 2568.
Could you tell me the date in the Gregorian calendar? Also, isn't the date January 2nd instead?
You're right, I checked again. The due date is January 2nd, 2025. My apologies. How was it? ChatGPT is really helpful, isn't it? It's especially useful for Thai instruction manuals. Once you learn how to use it, it becomes very convenient for everyone.